Hi guys! It's me again, Teacher Let. Are you ready for a new lesson? And today, we are going to discuss about adding and subtracting fractions and mixed fractions with or without regrouping. To start off, let's have some key points. First, similar fraction. Fractions with the same denominators. Example, we have 4/6, 2/6, 3/6. Another set is 2/4, 1/4, and 3/4. Next, when we say the similar fraction, that are the fractions with different denominators. Example, 3/5, 4/7, 2/4. Another set is 3/6, 1/4, and 7/9. Next, we have LCD. When we say LCD, that is the least common denominator. It is the least common multiple of denominators of a set of numbers. Lowest term. How do we know that a fraction is already on its lowest term? First, if the numerator and denominator has no common factors. Another, if the numerator and denominator are consecutive numbers or magkasunod. And the last is if the numerator is 1. Okay, how do we add or subtract similar fractions? To add or subtract similar fractions, first, add or subtract the numerators. Next, write the sum of or difference over the common denominator. And the last, simplify or write the final answer in the lowest term if necessary. So let us start with addition of fraction to fraction. So add 2/5 and 1/5. So 2/5 plus 1/5 equals, so first add the numerators, 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then copy the common denominator na 5. So, nakuha natin yung 3/5. Now, i-analyze natin kung ang 3/5 ba ay lowest term na. Since ang 3 at 5 ay walang common factors, at ang 3 at 5 ay prime numbers, so 3/5 is lowest term na. So, 2/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. Next, addition of mixed fraction to fraction. Add 3 and 3/10 and 2/10. So, 3 and 3/10 plus 2/10 equals, so add natin yung numerators, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Copy the common denominator na 10. And next, copyahin lang natin yung whole number natin sa minuend dahil wala namang whole number sa subtrahen. So, that is 3. Now, ang nakuha natin ay 3 and 5, 10. Next, ay i-identify natin kung siya ba ay nasa lowest term na. Since ang 5 at 10 ay may common factor, so meaning hindi pa siya naka-lowest term. So, to get the lowest term, we have to get the GCF of 5 and 10, or the greatest common factor. Ang greatest common factor ng 5 at 10 ay 5. Tapos, i-divide lang natin yun. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then, copyhin lang natin yung 3. So, the final answer now is 3 and 1/2. So, 3 and 3/10 plus 2/10 equals 3 and 1/2. Let's try addition of whole number to fraction. So, add 4 and 3/4. So, 4 plus 3/4. Copyahin lang natin yung whole number, that is 4, and then copyahin lang natin yung fraction na 3/4. And that 3/4 is already on its lowest term, so that is the final answer. Next, we have addition of mixed fraction to mixed fraction. Add 2 and 1/8 by 3 and 5/8. So, unahin natin i-add ang numerators. 1 plus 5 is 6. And then, copy natin yung common denominator, that is 8. And then, copy and i-add natin yung whole number nila. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then, i-analyze natin na kung ang 5 and 6/8 ba ay nasa lowest term na. So, since 6 and 8 are even numbers, so automatically, madedivide pa natin sila sa 2. So, divide natin sila sa 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And then, copyhin natin yung ating whole number na 5. And that is the final answer. 2 and 1/8 plus 3 and 5/8 equals 5 and 3/4. So, ito naman tayo sa subtraction of similar fraction. Fraction from fraction. So, subtract 3/8 from 7/8. And that is 7/8 minus 3/8. So, katulad ng addition, i-minus naman natin yung numerator na. So, 7 minus 3 equals 4. And then, copy natin yung common denominator nila na 8. And then, i-analyze natin kung ang 4/8 ba ay nasa lowest term na. Since hindi, iisip tayo ng greatest common factor ng 4 at 8. And that is 4. So, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So, 7/8 minus 3/8 equals 1/2. Next is fraction from mixed fraction naman. Subtract 3/7 from 2 and 6/7. So, 2 and 6/7 minus 3/7. So, subtract natin yung numerator. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Then, copyhin natin yung common denominator na 7. And then, since yung ating subtrahen ay wala namang whole number, so we will just copy the whole number 2. And yung 3/7 ay already on its lowest term, so that is the final answer. So, 2 and 6/7 minus 3/7 equals 2 and 3/7. Subtraction of fraction from whole number. Subtract 1/8 from 1. So, that is 1 minus 1/8 equals. So, ang uunahin natin ay kailangan i-rename natin yung whole number natin as fraction. So, yung 1 natin para maging fraction ay magiging siyang 8/8. Saan ang galing yun? Yung denominator natin sa subtrahin natin. So, that is 8/8. And then, subtract natin sa 1/8. So, 8 minus 1 equals 7. And then, copy natin yung common denominator na 8. So, that is the final answer since 7 at 8 are consecutive numbers. So, 7/8 is already on its lowest term. So, the answer is 7/8. Next is subtraction, mixed fraction from mixed fraction. Subtract 3 and 1/10 from 5 and 6/10. So, that is 5 and 6/10 minus 3 and 1/10. So, subtract muna natin yung numerator. 6 minus 1 is 5. Copy natin yung common denominator na 10. And then, isubtract natin yung whole number natin na 5 minus 3. So, that is 2. Then, analyze natin. 2 and 5/10 ay lowest term na ba? So, hindi. So, isip natin ulit yung greatest common factor ng 5 and 10. And that is 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then, copyhin lang natin ulit yung whole number natin na 2. So, 5 and 6/10 minus 3 and 1/10 equals 2 and 1/2.